The following contest is a tag team match with a 20-minute time limit scheduled for one fall.
You know what I love? This match that's about to happen. Ooh. I am so hyped for these two to make their return.
From Vancouver, British Columbia, combined weight of 382 pounds, representing the Lionsgate Dojo, Sinner and Saint!
Sinner and Saint, one of the best tag teams in wrestling right now. Defy tag team champions, Smash tag team champions, former Prestige tag team champions, and you've seen them all over TNA. These guys are two of the best out there today.
Now correct me if I'm wrong, but both of these competitors have been here individually, but never as a tag team.
Correct. We last saw Judas at the Voyager Cup last year, and Travis we saw at the first Fight at the Museum show.
He wrestled Bobby Shink for the WPW Championship.
These two have been on an absolute tear, but they're going to have their hands full tonight. And it's been a minute since we've seen their opponents.
Where's Raheem?
Yeah, one half of technical difficulties. Moses is here. But notable absence is partner Raheem De La Suede.
Winnipeg Pro Wrestling, what's good? Hey, listen, I'm so glad, so thankful, so blessed to be back here tonight in front of some of the best fans in professional wrestling today. I mean, come on, yo. Now, I say I'm always ready to deliver, which is true, but each and every single one of you are always ready to deliver. Every single time you guys walk through those doors and come to these seats, you guys bring the passion, the fire, the energy, and I love that. Now, unfortunately, I have to deliver, no pun intended, some bad news. My tag team partner, Raheem De La Suede, is unable to be here tonight. But, I have some backup because there's somebody back there that owes me a tiny little favor. So he's somebody that I'm pretty sure y'all are real familiar with. So let's bring him on out.
From Portage La Prairie, weighing at 230 pounds, Red Hot Sammy Pepper!
WPW Spicy Superman answering the call.
Back at WPW, Payne actually returns. Sammy Peppers was in need of a partner, and Moses stepped up. Now, Sammy's returning that favor. We saw these two put on an incredible match against Fresh Air on that card, and now these two are going to go toe-to-toe with Sinner and Saint, and I cannot wait. Technical difficulties and Red Hot Summer put on an absolute clinic as they were vying for those WPW Tag Team Championships. There is so much respect between these two from that they're able to put aside their differences, team up, and go for that big W. Peppers and Icarus starting things off. And
what?
Pretty sure we just heard this song not too long ago.
Unfortunately.
And Sammy Peppers is just staring a hole through Bryce Bentley.
Look at him with that cocky face. Bet he wouldn't be so tough without that security team, I'll tell you what. What's he doing over here?
The star, Bryce Bentley, deciding to join us here on commentary.
Hey, give me my water. Give me my water.
Oh, Sinner and Saint with the early advantage. Icarus working down Peppers.
And are you absolutely kidding me right now? This guy brought over my sparkling water and shook it up? Did you see what happened to me here?
The audacity.
I'm sorry. We'll talk to the event staff.
This is unacceptable of a star. I am paid to be out here right now, to be on commentary, to make those YouTube numbers better and make WPW a lot more money so that they can pay me more money.
Fair.
Yes.
I'm not here to make friends either. I'm just here to make money.
Just cash and checks.
Do we have to watch this hip swiveling garbage?
Well, you know what?
It might be the hottest move on the scene right now, Bryce.
It's
Is
all
the crowd really reacting to this still?
It's-
After all those years?
it's all about the hips.
This is absolutely pathetic. Pathetic.
There was a time where you were very much into that hip swiveling too.
A time? A time? At that time, Sammy Peppers tried to take away everything from me. We all realized who the star was. I beat him at Rumble at the Birth. You were there. You were there.
I was there.
A big victory at Rumble at the Birth. Where right now, Pepper seems to have the advantage over Williams. Oh, gets the boots up.
Good. A nice boot to the face.
Oh, Williams up and over.
A little twist on that.
Cover. Williams kicks out. Moses tags in.
And Moses is the deliverer. Now that's another joke.
Oh, double arm drag. Moses, he helped save the day and kept those titles around your waist when you weren't able to answer the bell.
I was sick, lying on my deathbed at one of the worst hospitals in all of Winnipeg. Actually, in all of Canada. And Moses the deliverer, he didn't even come say hi. He didn't even come wish me good luck in my speedy recovery.
I don't know what to say to
Hey,
that.
you don't know what to say.
I'm
He
sorry.
came here because he's selfish. He wants those tag team titles. I get that. But you know what? At my expense, I'm the star. I'm the goddamn star.
Leapfrog. Icarus drops down, eats a boot. Oh, knife edge chop. Irish whip. Big drop kick by Moses.
Oh, right to the face.
Delivered on that one.
Well, hopefully Judas still has all his teeth.
He's checking for him right now.
See any chiclets on the mat?
Oh, big chop. Now, what brings you out here other than to play more games with Sammy?
I'm done with Sammy Peppers. I want nothing to do with Sammy Peppers anymore. No. I'm here because I have just learned I am going to be wrestling Moses the Deliverer in round 1 at the Voyager Cup. So I am scouting Moses. I'm scouting to see how he's going to be as a wrestler, even though we all know I'm going to beat him single-handedly and quite easily.
Oh! Peppers eats a big knee there. Great double team action by Sinner and Saint.
As you can see from the Sinner and Saints, who are doing a phenomenal job right now. My advantage I'm going to use is by booting Moses the Deliverer in the face. As you can see, that is what's putting him down right now.
Might be his kryptonite.
Don't encourage him.
I'm sorry.
Oh, Williams working over that left arm.
See, the more he softens him up for the Voyager Cup, the easier time I'm going to have. So I might have to thank Sinner and Saints after the match.
Icarus tags in. Oh, working the jaw and the arm.
Great tag team psychology by Sinner and Saint.
Now, how are you preparing for the Voyager Cup? It is a massive 2-night tournament here in Winnipeg. The best of the best compete in it.
Hey, you have to pay for those. Hey, you're going to have to pay for that.
And you could potentially be wrestling 4 matches in 2 nights. How are you preparing for that?
As I was alluding to earlier, I wake up at 5 a.m. I crank some David Goggins, listen to the Joe Rogan podcast, and I have a 30-minute ice-cold shower every single morning. I am waking up, I am putting in the work, because success breeds success, and I am nothing but the best.
Well, all right, that is a great way to get prepared for the Voyager Cup. Williams with some sneakiness there. Sinner and Saint with the advantage here. Cutting off the ring, keeping Moses on their side. Quick tag, Williams back in. Big knife edge chop.
Thunderous, as they would say. Thunderous.
Wrist control. Oh!
See, that is smart. A smart play by Sinner and Saints. They are continuously working that arm, weakening that arm. This is how they're going to take their advantage. This is how they're going to win the match pretty easily, as we can see right now.
Williams stepping on that left hand. Oh! And that'll rip out a tricep right there.
That's the stuff you like
Cover.
to see.
Only a 2 count. Moses kicks out. Cover again. Moses feeding off that energy. Icarus tags back in.
Well, I don't know if it did him any good.
Irish whip. Oh, Will beats a boot. Oh, enziguri. But Icarus cuts off the ring. Moses trying to get that tag. Rolls through. In comes Peppers.
Are you kidding me?
A house of fire, Sammy Peppers. Down goes Icarus again. Ducks the clothesline. Huge power slam.
Beautiful. This goofball. This hip swivel buffoon. Kick out, kick out.
Icarus kicks out at 2.
Good.
Peppers eyeing him up.
Feeding off the crowd. The crowd's giving them all they got.
Getting ready. Gets him up. Williams saves him. Oh! Big shots by Williams. Peppers ducks him. Oh!
Good.
Oh,
get rid of that ugly mug.
Spinning back. Oh, it's a super kick. Icarus. Oh, foot stomp. Oh, big kick by Icarus. Judas is jacked up. Oh, dodges the big boot. Waist control. Rolls him up.
Get him.
Tag to Williams. Rolls through. Oh, Peppers counters.
Wow.
Oh!
Wow.
Peppers
know
decent
what?
capitalize.
That's enough. I've had it. This is unacceptable. This is enough. No, I've had
What
enough.
are you talking?
I've had enough of this.
Get-
This is an absolute enough of this.
Where are you going?
Enough. I've had enough of dealing with this. I've had enough of dealing with Sammy Pepper.
Get back here. Bentley back up onto the stage, swings at Peppers. What is he doing? Peppers chasing after Bentley. Oh, it's a 2-on-1 now.
Oh, Moses is by himself.
Moses with everything he's got trying to battle against Sinner and Singh. Down goes Icarus. Williams is down.
Moses is getting fired up here.
Feeding off this energy. Irish whip. Oh. The chemistry between Sinner and Saint. Knowing what each guy's gonna do. Oh! Incredible teamwork. Setting Moses up. Down he goes. Cover. Sinner and Saint with a massive victory.
Your winners of the match, Sinner and Saint!
Travis Williams and Judas Icarus returning to WPW as a united front. A big, big victory for Sinner and Saint.
Moses gave it his all, but ultimately the numbers game was just too much for him.
Moses put up a hell of a fight, but the shenanigans of Bryce Bentley interfering, it was just too much to overcome.